Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna discuss about some basic components of spoken English. If you want to be fluent and expert in spoken English, if you want to be qualified in IELTS exam or uh, any type of competitive examination in your spoken English part, you must watch this video lesson. Because if you are weak in English basic level, you cannot improve or you cannot learn advanced English. So you must watch this video lesson and you must be connected with this YouTube channel, because you will get every components or every ingredients, every elements of spoken English, of improving your freehand writing English, of improving your fluency. So this video lesson is all about your development of basic level of your English spoken freehand writing. Above all, everything or every ins and outs of English, uh, primary level to advanced level. So I hope you will be enjoying this video lesson. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna give you some phrases and idioms, and these idioms will help you to be fluent in spoken English, and it will develop your standard of your writing or your speaking skill. And these idioms are very important for your IELTS examination. If you want to go to sit for IELTS examination, you must know these types of phrases and idioms. So here first one is ins and outs. Ins and outs means details. And if I say in Bengali for the students of Bangladesh, Kolkata, Assam, Tripura, etc., that is, details means vistarito. I want to know every ins and outs of this matter or of this incident, of this exam, of these books, of this work. Here you can say or you can add any type of subject or object. Ins and outs means details, everything, everything. Then number two, iron will. Iron will means firm determination. If you have firm determination or iron will, you can be successful. If you have firm determination to learn English, you must be successful. Everyone can succeed in learning English for iron will. If you have iron will, you must be successful in learning English. Number three, in a body. In a body means in a group or all the bodies, all the people, all the persons together. We all should work in a body for the development of our country. Number four, in a fix. In a fix means difficult situation or problematic situation. That means in a very tough situation. The children are in a fix for certain war between India and Pakistan, or between Israel and Iran. Especially the children and the women suffer most for the time of war. So war is called a curse, and everybody wants to avoid war. The world is for peace. World is not for war. Some people who are very much avaricious of wealth, who are very much greedy for wealth, are always warmonger. So we don't like the warmonger people. In a fix means difficult situation, tough situation. The children or the women or the world people are in a fix for certain war between Iran and Israel. Number five, in a nutshell. In a nutshell means brief, in short. Our English teacher told us the story in a nutshell. In a nutshell means in brief or in a short. Number six, in cold war, in cold blood. In cold blood means silently, silently. Israel killed many people in Gaza or in Palestine in cold blood. Israel killed many people in Palestine in cold blood. Number seven, in accordance with. In accordance with means accordingly or according to anything. The spy acted in accordance with the direction, and the student worked accordance with the direction of his or of their teachers. Number eight, In favor of means support someone. The chairman worked in favor of the victim. The mayor or the police officer support or the police officer worked in favor of the victim. Number 9, instead of or in lieu of, that means alternative. The students wanted to take biology instead of higher math. That means the students don't like higher math, so they want to take biology. So here we can use instead of or in lieu of. The students wanted to take biology instead of higher math. Number 10, in the dark, ignorant. In the dark means ignorant. I'm totally in the dark about this matter. I'm totally in the dark about this matter. That means I don't know anything about this matter. 11, in case of, in the event of, that means if. What will happen in case of your failure in English? If you fail in English, what will happen? So here we can say what will happen in case of your failure in English. What will happen in case of sudden war? What will happen in case of flood? What will happen in case of your father's sudden death? So in this way, we can make many sentences using this type of phrases and idioms. So phrases and idioms are very much common in our daily communication, in our everyday writings and readings. If you go to write anything, you must need to use this type of idioms and phrases in your freehand writing, and that will develop the standard of your writing. So you must practice this type of idioms and phrases frequently so that you can uh, communicate with others in a standard way. 12, in spite of. One is instead of, another is in spite of. In spite of means despite or though, although. The boys went out in spite of rain. Though there were raining, but the boys went out. 13, in search of, seeking or looking for something. The ancient people spent most of their time in search of food because there were scarcity of foods. That's why the ancient people always spend their time in search of food. Number 14, in respect of or in point of, regarding or subject. We should raise public awareness in respect of early marriage. Early marriage is one of the most dangerous problems in the third world countries or in the developing countries. Like most of the Asian countries and African countries, early marriage is a danger for many people. So we must raise awareness against this type of uh, activities going on in our society. It should be stopped because it uh, makes negative effect or it puts negative effects on the girls' mind and their health. 15, in order to, for the purpose or aim. We went there in order to join the meeting. We went to there or we went to the field, we went to the ground to join the meeting. So we can say we went there in order to always indicate our aim of action. 16, in season and out of season. In season and out of season means all times. That means always or often. The beggars come to our doors in season and out of season. When the beggars disturb the people, we can say the beggars come to our house or come to our doors in season and out of season. 17, in the wake of, quickly, firstly, rapidly. The police came in the wake of the accident. That means just after happening the accident, police came rapidly. So we can use the police came in the wake of accident. 18, jack of all trades. Jack of all trades means expert for all works. Expert for works. My friend is jack of all trades, but master of none. That means my friend knows everything, but he is the master of none. Jack of all trades. 19. Keep body and soul together. That means stay alive with hardship. When anybody lives with hardship, with difficult time or with difficulties, we can say keep bodies and soul together. The poor keep body and soul together because the poor people cannot live uh, healthy life, cannot live uh, their life in uh, affluence or in prosperity. So their life is called keep body and soul together. 20. No bounds. That means unlimited. Unlimited. The sufferings of the war affected. No bounds. That means where there is war, there is dangerous war, the sufferings of the people of that country no bounds. So the world is now in the danger of war. So the people who are living in those countries who are involved in war, their sufferings no bounds, and they know what is the hardship of life, what is the life of hell. So we don't like war. War is curse. 21. Kith and kin. Kith and kin means relative. Kith and kin means relative. The orphan has no kith and kin to take care of because the orphan who have no kith and kin or relatives, they don't have anybody to take care of their health. So we can say the orphan has no kith and kin to take care of. 22. Look down upon, to hate, and to underestimate or to avoid. And that means look down upon. We should not look down upon the poor because poor people have their own life. We should not hate them. We should help them and we should love them. 23. Lose head, impatient. That means the person who has no patience. That is called impatient. We should not lose head in danger. In time of danger, we must keep in mind and we must be cool headed. And if we cannot be cool headed, we cannot cope with that situation. So we should not lose head in time of danger. 24. Live from hand to mouth. That means in poverty or in hardship. The people of African countries live from hand to mouth because they are mostly illiterate and they don't know how to use their natural resources. Their country is enriched with natural resources, but they don't know how to use them. So they live from hand to mouth because of their poverty. 25. Laughing stock means object of ridicule. A fool is a laughing stock to all because a fool don't have a fool who doesn't know how to deal with other people, so they always be become laughing stock to others. 26. Loaves and fishes, personal gain. That means personal interest or own interest. Some people always think of loaves and fishes. There are some greedy people. There are some self-centered people who always think for their own interest, for their personal interest. And these are called loaves and fishes. 27. Main speech. His maiden speech charmed us all. That means his maiden speech charmed us all because maiden speech means the important or essential gist speech of any person. 28. Man of purse. That means talented or meritorious. A man of purse like him is sure to get a good job. The man who has talent, who has knowledge, who has wisdom must be qualified in good job. So we can say a man of purse like him, a man of purse like you, a man of purse like me is here to get a good job. In this way, you can practice in your home and you can make thousands of English sentences for your spoken English, for your free handwriting English. 29. Man of straw. Man of straw means worthless man. Worthless man, the man who has no quality, the man who has no ability to do anything. This man is called man of straw or worthless man. He cannot succeed in life as he is a man of straw. A man of straw like you cannot be succeeded. That means if you are a man of straw, if you don't have any quality, you never be successful in your life. So a man of straw is a man who has no ability or quality. He cannot succeed in life as he is a man of straw. 30, make out. Make out means understand. Make out means understand or realize. I could not make out his speech from the distance, though I was sitting or standing in the distant place, so I couldn't hear his speech. That's why I couldn't understand. I couldn't make out his speech. The sound was not clear to me. That's why I can say I couldn't make out his speech from the distance. That means I was in distance place. That's why I don't know what he told in his speech. These were our today's uh, subject of discussion. These 30 idioms very much important for you, the students or the guys who are going to sit for IELTS examination and who want to start spoken English from today. You must know these idioms because these idioms will make your speech important and standard to others. And in your IELTS examination, you must find this type of phrases and idioms. I hope that you find this video lesson important and essential for you. And if you also think that this video lesson was useful for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna finish here. You can write in the comment box what type of video lessons do you need and how you can contact with me if you feel that you need a pair to practice spoken English with. I can be your pair, I can accompany you. I am always with you, and I will here in the description box and on the screen. I will provide you my uh, WhatsApp number. You can communicate with me and you can be my pair to practice spoken English. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everybody. Thank you.